Hello friends! We're learning more about nocturnal animals this week. We're going to read the story called Nocturnal Animals. Active at night. At the end of the day, the sun sets. That night seems still and quiet. But outside there's a rush of activity. Mice scamper around looking for food. Bats and owls fly through the darkness. For these nocturnal animals, the day is just beginning. Nocturnal animals sleep during the day and are awake at night. Safety in the dark. Nighttime makes it easier for animals to hide from predators. A mother sea turtle comes out of the sea at night. She lays her eggs in the sandy beach. When the babies hatch, they crawl to the water at night to stay safe. Nighttime hunters. Nocturnal predators hunt for food at night. So right here it tells you predators are an animal that hunts other animals for food. Owls catch and eat mice, birds, and other small animals. Owls have rough feathers at the tips of their wings. This feature quiets the sound of the wings flapping. They can sneak up on prey without warning. Keeping cool. Nocturnal animals roam deserts during the cool cover of night. During the day, desert temperatures can climb to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Animals keep cool by resting underground or in shady areas. At night, ringtails, jackrabbits, great horned owls, and other animals become active. They look for food on the cool desert. So the desert's very hot, so they come out at night when the sun is down. Amazing adaptations. Nocturnal animals have adapted to life in the dark. They have developed special abilities that help them at night. A snow leopard's eyes have cells that collect more light than human eyes do. That way they can see better than us. These cells help the leopard see in the dark. Tarsiers' large eyes let in more light so they can see at night. So we don't have to see at night because we're awake during the day, but nighttime animals have to see better in the dark. That's a snow leopard. Super senses. Some animals don't see well in the dark. They use other senses to find their way. Bats use large ears and sharp sense of hearing to get around. They make high-pitched sounds that bounce off objects. Bats use these echoes to find food. Follow that smell. The night air is still. Smells stay in the air for a long time. Nocturnal animals pick up scents to find food. Coyotes, right there, use their sharp sense of smell to track down a meal. That's a coyote right there. A snake uses its long tongue to pick up scents. It sticks out its tongue and waves it in the air. The tongue sends a message to the snake's brain that food is nearby. So the tongue they can use for smelling. Time to rest. What do nocturnal animals do all day? Some dig underground to sleep. Others rest in logs or nest. Red-eyed tree frogs hide under green leaves. They tuck in their legs and close their eyes to blend into the leaves. Hippopotamuses stay in the water to keep their skin wet. At night, they leave the water to munch grass in the cool night air. How do we know? It can be tricky to study nocturnal animals. Scientists use infrared light and cameras to record animals. As an animal moves through the light, the camera takes a picture. Scientists study the pictures to learn more about nocturnal animals. And that's the end of the story. I hope you guys learned a lot today. We're going to keep learning more this week. Have a good day, friends.